yan. Puro magjowa na lang lagi nasa feed ko. Kailan kayo ang makakahanap ng loko? Wow! Ang ganda!
Hi, good afternoon. I'd like to order a regular coffee, please.
Regular coffee? Coming right out.
I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this mess.
Uy, Ezekiel nakita ko yun.
Ayun!
Baka siya na yung gawan mo, bro.
Hindi, no?
Pag kinasal kayo, ako gawin yung bridesmaid,
Ikaw pa! Regular coffee
Uy.
for me is...
Huwag mo nang ganinin. I-deliver mo na lang sa kanya. Chance mo na din yan.
Chill. Kape lang to. Hindi naman to kasal.
That I ever made. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. No.
Here's your regular coffee po.
Thank you. Ang bilis
Ganun talaga pag special order.
Special order?
What I mean, mabilis lang talaga ako mag-serve. So, enjoy your coffee po.
Come to an end when
Ooh, smooth moves, Mr. Special Order.
Wala yun. Ano kaya ang siya?
now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when it's me in front of people it's a fake. Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby.
Wait, Dul! Bakit nagsimangot ka dyan?
Wala, may hinihintay lang ako.
Alam mo siguro ako yung pretty girl, no?
Ulul.
Maganda din naman ako eh. Ayaw mo ba sa akin?
Doon ka lang nga.
Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you.
Akala mo yung pretty girl, no, kahapon?
Ha? Work mode ako ngayon, no, boss?
Mahina ka lang. Kung ako yan, nano ko na sa FB, dami ko ng dami ng picture niya, baby siya.
Breaking news. A strong typhoon is expected to hit the country in the upcoming days.
Yeah, I think I've heard of that. Nagbasa ko na yung article earlier, and I think it's a different one. It's a problem. We need to prepare the shop. It depends on it.
Maybe.
Okay, team. Pinatawag ko kayo dito and we're having this meeting because alam nyo naman na sa balita, meron daw paparating na bagyo. We're not really sure kung gaano kalakas to, pero one thing's for sure, we need to prepare. Because our shop, and more importantly, our safety depends on it.
Tama si Rain. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa shop. We have to make sure na safe tayong lahat. Kaya let's run through a contingency plan.
Yes, tama. So first, safety first. Ayokong makikita dito na may magsistay para mag-overnight lalo na kung delikado. Huwag magstay ng overnight kung delikado. Everybody should go home early before the storm hits.
At kung may problema sa transportation, sabihin agad. We'll help coordinate rides to those who need it. Walang may iwan na stranded.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Second, secure the shop. Ilalak natin lahat ng pintuan, ng windows. Yung bubong, i-check na natin. Ayoko makikita may tumutulo dito. Ayusin na lahat ng dapat ayusin. Walang makakapasok na tubig, ha?
I'll assign a team for that later. Gusto ko, before matapos ang shift, ready na ang shop.
Boss, what if mawalan ng kuryente? E di hindi natin magagamit yung mga machine.
Good question. For that, third, backup plan. Backup menu plan. Since hindi possible lahat ng drinks, we should prepare cold brews, teas, and bottled drinks so that we can serve our customers pag may dumating man.
I'll print a simplified menu, just in case. Mas mabilis din for customers.
Yes, boss. Paano kung madali ang mga supply deliveries?
Dahil dyan, stock management. I want you, Ezekiel, I want you to check the inventory mamaya and make a list ng mga essentials natin so that we can order in advance bago dumating yung bagyo.
Okay, boss.
We'll need a communication. We'll set a group chat and we'll update every 2 hours. Walang uuwi ng hindi nag-update.
Boss, do you really think this typhoon will be that bad?
I think hindi ito basta bagyo lang. Hindi ito basta ulan lang.
That's why we prepare now, para hindi tayo mabigla bukas.
Okay, that's it for the meeting. We should put our contingency plan in motion now.
I breathe out you so.
Uy! Siya na naman! Chance ko na to.
Hi again. Ang lamig ng panahon, no? Kaya I'll just have a hot chocolate this time.
Hot chocolate coming right up.
Uy, pre, tanong mo na pangalan nun. Baka hindi na yung mahal dito.
Wait! Pwede ko mong mahingi yung pangalan mo?
Shane, ikaw.
Ezekiel.
Nice to meet you, Ezekiel. Looks like a storm is coming, no?
Oo nga, no?
Guys,
Saan na yun?
boss, ang lakas ng hangin, what if?
Calm down, Jen. The storm's here, so everyone, stay alert.
Everyone, calm down. Napag-usapan na natin to, nagawa na natin to ng plano. Stick to the plan. Okay, Ezekiel, pumunta ka sa storage room, i-check mo yon. Daisy, get the candles and flashlights. Huwag tayo nagpapaano dito. Calm, okay? Ay, dali lang.
Ano ba kayo? Ako lang to.
Ay, nako. Okay. Ayan na. Calm na tayo. Meron ba kayo na-check? Ano na-check mo? May tulong sa storage room. Get the equipments there and dapat walang valuable na magiging wet, okay? Okay, game. Chop.
Remember,
Tayo sa plan.
our shops can be repaired, but our safety is what matters.
We can do this, guys. Buti na lang we stick to the plan. Nakapag-prepare tayo ng ilaw, yung stocks natin, and everyone stayed calm.
And konting linis lang, we can open again soon.
Ka na ng eroplano.
Wala tayong emergency plan, kaya ganito, sayang yung lahat. Kung nagplano lang sana tayo kagaya ng ibang shop.
Sa aking piling antukin.
Hi, miss! What's your order? Isang cappuccino or isang chinito?
Sorry, wala.
Hi, I just wanna check if you guys are okay after the storm.
Napuyat lang, pero buti na lang may contingency plan kami. Thanks for check ano na.
I'm glad you're okay.
Naman tayo, di ba? Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan
Line mo?
Ano yun?